Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You need your bank-linked mobile number and your debit card ready. This is how the bank verifies you. Open Google Pay and go to Profile, then Payments Methods and select your bank account. Once selected, choose Set UPI PIN to begin. You'll be asked for your card's last 6 digits and expiry month/year. Enter them exactly. This starts the bank OTP flow, which confirms your identity. Make sure your phone has signal, so the SMS OTP arrives. Once the OTP arrives, type it into Google Pay promptly. The OTP verifies your debit card request. After OTP verification, the app prompts you to create a new UPI PIN. Pick either a 4 or 6-digit code as required by your bank and enter it twice to confirm. Make sure you choose a PIN you can remember, but that isn't easy to guess. You can use a secure password manager or a mnemonic to help recall it safely. This completes PIN creation on the app. Finish by testing your new UPI PIN with a small payment or by viewing secured bank actions that require the PIN. This confirms everything works end-to-end. If you ever forget the PIN, use Reset UPI PIN inside Google Pay. You'll re-enter your debit card details and complete the OTP flow again to set a new PIN. If the OTP doesn't arrive, check network and that your bank has your current mobile number. If still unresolved, contact your bank for support. This usually fixes delivery problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.